What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another explore. Something I've known about for a number of years, and that's why it's taken me so long to get here, because most has been cleared out. More of a ruins, that's all I'm going to say. There's some history here. Join me on the explore, and yeah, let me know what you think about the place. As you can see, just look at that up through there. Literally that side's the house, but I'm just going to go do the outbuildings first. Just look at the way that just the trees are just growing through the bricks and stuff. It's awesome. There's outbuildings everywhere. Also look like a lot of fly tippings going on down here. We'll go through and have a little look. I'm guessing that was a window at some point. They're cool in like the 90s, I think, weren't they, or something? Sink as well. Literally, don't ask me when all this fly tipping took place, because there's a lot of older stuff down here. There's car parts everywhere. Digger. There's Rover. Bumper. Ian Turner. I'm gonna ask where this one's off. Some sort of body kit thing. I don't know. Looks a bit Japanese, might be wrong. Who knows? There's parts everywhere, guys. Volkswagen trims, Merc trims in a bag. Full set, awesome. A lot of people doing that, slamming them on polos, etc. Place is trash, guys. It's a big ass TV. Seen better days, that's all I'm gonna say. Nice old stained glass door though. The way this house is just totally leaning, the way the roofs are just hanging down in here. Jeez. Proper hoarder's house, that's all I'm going to say it is. Kitchen at some point. So if you make it out there, like the salt dispenser and pepper, etc. Still just laying flat there. That's pretty cool. So the place is literally so overgrown. Roller skates. It's utility area, I'm guessing. To the bathroom. We'll pick us up out there, guys. So I literally just picked it back up outside, guys, wandering what feels like a scrap dump pile, that's all I'm gonna say. Literally there's some sort of hoarder stuff going on here. There's bits of everything, jeez. Let's try to go through there. Standing on a nail would be ideal. What's left of the roof. So look, as far as it goes, there's a little kitchen window down in there. What the hell, like? Old furniture. Old school American, well, it's old said American now. British plate, back when they were proper metal. So now going back to the 80s. That's pretty damn cool. DCY, I actually had a car with DCY finishing on the plate. More roller skates and old bloody cones as well. Like traffic island stuff. And then look, the old metal ones. Predates the plastics that we see every day here now. Very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. So we're literally continuing what feels like an episode of American Pickers. Going through these barns. Said it's just bits of everything. Literally. More of a, I don't know, a different sort of explore to what I'm used to. That's all I'm gonna say. Ventured back out. There's just stuff everywhere. I'm more confused as to what the hell's been going on around here. Opposed to anything else. I said I'm only in the buildings. The old house is that way. Seems we found a transit van. No caravan. Some sort of like scrap stuff's been going on, yeah. There's trial bikes, tyres everywhere. Car parts galore. Jeez. I was actually going to name this location, but I think I will be keeping it a bit on the quiet side, just to sort of protect it, simply because the amount of money in here in classic car parts. Oh, it's like an old MG grill, like jeez. British Leyland grills, headlamps galore, Ford Mondeo lights, Vectra lights. Mondeo lights, BMW 735i lights. Sapphire Cosworth lights, Renault lights. What the hell is this place? This gets different and different as it goes. Mercedes lights, all the S-Class ones, Rover lights, and then your household hoarding as well. Car mirrors, there's clocks, there's parts everywhere in here. So there we are, guys, we're literally back out with that barn. Let's keep it rolling through to another. So not too sure what's up in this one. Again, more bits of just random junk, if you like. Top, car parts again. That looks like sort of like Cherokee bumper, if I'm not mistaken. Some boats. Begs to answer the question though, how much of this stuff is actually legit and how much of it is actually stolen? That's what I'd be interested to know. Oh, now we've got boats. I'm actually a bit speechless for this place. I don't know what else to say about it. And more, it's one of my weirder ones. What are they, 70s, 80s? Long way away from the sea though. Kayak or canoe. That's just the main road you can hear, guys. Tyres literally everywhere. From everything. So there's a lot of cars here at one point by the looks of things. Again, it's just broken bits of bumpers, boats. Actually, look at the bumpers stacked up in there. There's probably people out here that have got the vehicles or whatever that actually need those parts. Found the caravan. Again, bumpers everywhere. If you can make him out down by there. Someone's been on fire in here. Took half the barn with it, by the looks of it. Another caravan. You can see, interesting really. I said gas bottles are still in there. Good job they haven't blown. Fire literally stopped there. Even the windows melted on the caravan. Unreal. Just parts everywhere. Literally everywhere. I'm not sure if someone's been sleeping rough in here. Candles and that in here. Cooker. These. I said a million times. Definitely one of the more interesting explores. So guys, that's the house in the distance. I'm doing it from this side of the fence because a nice little house down there now has this in the garden, which is pretty interesting. But it's just buildings everywhere. Old structures, stables. There's literally stuff everywhere. The size in this place would have been back in the day. A little wrought iron fence, that's cool. Garage again. Right, and if you go down this way, we'll see it from the back. So excuse me when I jump a fence a minute. That's cool as well. Again, you've done like the scrapyard, stick of the dump stuff, now we're back in history again. How strange, bizarre this place. Literally bizarre. It's a bit overgrown to get to, mind, but it's worth going to have a little look. So, do you actually think I'd get this far and not actually come see the actual house? No, I don't care if it's in someone's garden. Jeez, there's just scale on this place. The trees going through it. Reminds me very much of Scrapyard Castle, the way it's just a derelict structure. Nothing at all left on the inside. This place would be massive. The old CCTV camera pointing down. Let's go and have a look, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. People walking through the garden by there. I don't think I was seen. And there we go, guys, that's the end of the video. Literally just gonna end it in the big part of the house. What I said a few times through the video, it was bloody strange, from just taking the dump stuff to like classic car parts to this. So yeah, it's definitely interesting. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit like, let me know what you think about it. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.